Hi, I'm Margie from the Earth Heals. Today we are making a new smoothie called Caramel Apple. You will start with 2 cups of coconut milk. You always want to add the liquid first. It makes the blender work better. It's this cocoa powder. I add in vanilla protein powder. I add in a cup of rolled oats. I add in a cup of Greek yogurt. I add in about 4 softened dates. I pour boiling water over these just to soften them so that the blender can do a better job. I just add the liquid and everything. And then a full apple peeled. I keep the skin on. I like to add about a teaspoon of pure vanilla. And then I like to add kind of some bakery spices. I add in nutmeg. I use the full nutmeg and I grate it in. Smells so good. And then I add about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Cinnamon has so many health benefits. I like to sneak that in whenever I can. And then you blend. Okay, so I blended for about 20 seconds, and this smoothie is filled with protein. From our recent poll on our Facebook group, you indicated number 1 that you wanted to eat healthier and number 2 lose weight. So I think this checks both those boxes, and I'm gonna show you what this looks like. The recipe that I just did here is for 2, but you can see it's a beautiful color, beautiful consistency. So good. I also wanted to share a little tip that I learned this year. If you put your Greek yogurt in ice cube trays like this and freeze them, then you pop them out and put them in a bag. It makes your smoothie making easier. So it not only is it pre-measured because you know exactly how much is in each cube if you're logging your food, but also it adds an icy texture and frothy, which I love. So thanks for joining us, and I hope you love this recipe. Stay tuned for more.